Before beginning computer training in 2003, I first practiced keyboarding with the typewriter. It was an important step for me to master the keyboard and improve my typing speed. For a long time now, I have wanted to develop online typing lesson that will provide similar resources to the one that helped me during my typing training. However, little uncertainty has been keeping me back, which is what led to this video. Today, with word processing platforms and keyboard tools that support voice typing, the necessity for traditional typing skill may appear to have decreased. In this video, I will show you how Google Docs voice typing capability may be a useful tool for document development. Stay tuned until the very end as we will explore several ways to use it for document formats. Don't forget that we have a video that shows how to copy text from printed documents. The link is in the description box below. If you are ready, let's dive in. Okay, turning on to my computer, the very first thing I will do is to go to Chrome. Once I enter Chrome, I will type docs and press enter. I am going to put the link in the description box. Then it will ask me to sign in. So I will sign in with my email. After the sign in, it will launch me to Google Docs. So the next thing I am going to do now is to click on blank documents. Please remember to subscribe to my channel because we will be making videos on how to use Google Docs. So don't forget to turn on the notification button so that you will be informed immediately we upload videos. So here, instead of typing, I will record with my voice. The next thing I will do now is to click on Tools, then click on Voice Typing. Here, we now have voice typing logo here. I can choose different languages from here. We have a list of so many languages. You can choose any one of your choice. For me, I am leaving it as English US. Depending on your accent, you can choose any other one. Let me choose English Nigeria. Then, once I am ready to record, I will click on the record button. Immediately I click on this, any other thing I say will be typed by Google Docs. So let me click on it. So it will ask me to give permission. So I will click on this allow button. Google Doc is now listening to me. What is Google Doc? Google Doc is a word processing package from Google. As you can see, Google is typing anything that I am saying. Like, I don't need to type very fast because as I speak, Google is typing whatever I am saying. As you type, there might be a mistake, so you can still move around and correct your mistake while typing. Google Docs is also modeled after Microsoft Word because some of the features of Microsoft Word is also in Google Docs. Well, you may say that all these things are necessary for word processing. But the essence of this video is for you to see how you can type very fast using Google Docs voice typing. Once I am through, I will click on this button to stop it. Now, let's look at how voice commands can make formatting of documents easier as we dictate. If you enjoyed this content, please consider subscribing. Don't forget to click the like button to help spread the word. Now, let's continue. Google Docs voice typing is really a great tool. Period. Text color red. As I type now, it should be typing in red color because I just initiated that command. Period. Text color blue. Now the next typing should be in blue. Period. New line. Sometimes it can mess things up, but I believe you have gotten the flow. You can also use it to bold your text, do underline and the rest of them. If you want to see other voice commands, just come to this microphone here and click on question mark option. It will show you all the list of voice commands that are available. Let me know in the comment section if you have any other tool that does voice typing better than Google Docs. That concludes the discussion for today. Please feel free to leave any queries in the comment section below. We have a video that shows how to create an ebook with PowerPoint. The video is popping out now. You can also find it in the description box below. Until next time, keep learning.